My name is Anna Morales, and for Chapter 4, Cellular Metabolism, I'll be explaining how metabolic pathways are regulated. What are metabolic pathways? They are a series of chemical reactions in a cell that build a breakdown molecule and produce energy. Because almost all metabolic reactions take place non-spontaneously, proteins called enzymes help facilitate those chemical reactions. Metabolic pathways are regulated by controlling enzymatic activity. Also, metabolic pathways lead to the synthesis and breakdown of particular biochemicals. In metabolic pathways, a regulatory enzyme that catalyzes one step sets the rate for the entire sequence of reactions. The regulation of metabolic pathways includes regulation of an enzyme in a pathway by increasing or decreasing its response to signals. Control involves monitoring the effects that these changes in an enzyme's activity have overall rate of the pathway. How does regulation of enzyme activity control metabolisms? Well, cells have evolved to use feedback inhibition to regulate enzyme activity and metabolism. Metabolic reactions such as anabolic and catabolic processes must proceed according to the demands of the cell. The cellular metabolism includes hundreds of different chemicals reactions that each controlled by a specific type of enzyme. There are also two general types of metabolic pathways, catabolic and anabolic. The catabolic pathways release energy while breaking down molecules into simpler molecules, while enzymes in anabolic pathways or biosynthetic reactions need energy to charge or convert molecules into more complex molecules. And the purpose of metabolic pathways is that the chemical reaction that takes place is to create and use energy, which then enzymes in chemical reactions have the power to break down, build up, or stop a chemical reaction. There is also a very large number of metabolic pathways, but in humans the most important metabolic pathways are glycolysis, citric acid cycle, fatty acid oxidation, gluconeogenesis, and many more. But they interact in a complex way in order to allow a good regulation.